Okay, what do we have here? This is the Midland Rail spinner, as they call them. This is a locomotive that I purchased from the family of the late Michael Wrottesley, thanks to my friend Graham. And it came to me and it had one serious fault. I had to do a repair on the piston rod, which was disconnected from the crosshead, and that means that it only was running on one cylinder. After an operation in the beginning of this week, I managed to fix that, and today is going to be the big day that we are going to see if that works.